Que no me copie, así.
Where's the question?
¿La
Where's
digo?
the question? No, the question symbol. Question mark. You don't have a question mark? Now do number 2, Alfonso. What do we need for the questions, Marta?
What?
For questions, what do we put?
Frank comic story?
We put for questions? We need something for questions.
No sé si esto está bien.
The question
Remember?
is
Yesterday?
today.
No, yesterday. In class? English class?
Okay, yeah.
For questions. Questions?
It's questions. For question is do is I, you, we, they.
Or?
Or
Does.
done. Or
Does.
does.
For he,
He,
she.
he, and name.
Okay, Frank. Number 1. Frank. Frank is I,
Frank.
you, we, they, he, she.
He is he.
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 Okay, for he, which one?
He
Do or
is
does?
do. No, it's does.
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 Okay, number 1.
Does Frank comics to read?
No.
Does Frank
Read comics.
to read comics?
Not to.
Not to. Okay.
Yo le
Does.
parece mamá.
You
Auxiliary?
finish? Do you
¿Desde
finish?
cuándo?
Number 3.
No, es que estoy esperando a mamá.
No, you're gonna do number
Does
2.
Does
Es que la
Frank
mamá
Birth. What is the birth?
read comics?
Good. Auxiliary, subject, birth. What is the auxiliary? Does.
Does
What is the subject?
Frank
What is the birth?
read
Read what?
comics?
Comics
Does
is called the
Frank
object. Good.
Is this the number 2?
Good.
Is this the number 2?
Correct. Achu.
Does Frank read comics?
Okay, now Alfonso, you answer the question. You have to tell me yes.
What? In the
Alfonso, does Frank read comics?
Yes, Frank reads comic.
Now you have to tell me no.
No,
Alfonso, does Frank read comics?
no, that doesn't know. Frank, no.
Yes or no?
No.
No.
Doesn't Frank? No.
No.
No, Frank read comics.
No. Frank?
Frank doesn't read comics. Yes.
Good.
Comics.
Good. Now, do number 3, please. Alfonso, number 3.
No, que ya lo entendí.
Marta,
What to eat?
number 2.
Number 2. Do they want to eat for breakfast?
No, las WH van primero, luego el auxiliar.
What do they?
Correct. What do they? Next, el verbo. What do they? ¿Cuál es el verbo?
Eat, to eat.
Pero a ninguna, ajá.
What do they eat breakfast?
For breakfast.
For breakfast.
Good, good, for breakfast. Fantastic.
Ahora puedo decir la respuesta de la segunda.
Yeah.
Como respuesta afirmativa o no.
What do they eat for breakfast?
Yes, they eat for breakfast.
No es de sí o no, es de qué, de what.
What?
What do they eat for breakfast?
They eat for breakfast. Sandwich.
Okay.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Exotic
Or
butter.
hotcakes.
Exotic butter.
Egg salad?
Exotic butter.
When?
What
He's
do they eat for breakfast? What do they eat for breakfast?
Breakfast.
Ask your mom.
What do you eat for breakfast, Mom?
I breakfast. I eat from breakfast one juice, green juice.
Excellent, excellent.
And I'm hungry now.
Number 3, Marta.
Ya, pero no me lo
For his mom. His mom. ¿Cuál vamos a ocupar? ¿El do o el does?
His
mom.
he,
His mom.
he, she
His mom.
is does,
Good.
when does,
His mom.
when does his
Mom.
when does his mom,
¿Cuál es el verbo?
his mom is come
Come.
home.
Good. Repeat, Alfonso. Number 3.
When does his mom come home?
Correct.
Come.
When does his mom come to pick him up?
Number.
When does his mom
His mom
come
home?
to take him home? Now number 4. Peter.
Peter is does.
Pero esta no va a ser ni con do, con does. Mira, es con el be. Ahí está el be.
I have
¿Con cuál va el be con Peter? ¿Con am, con are o con is? Peter.
Peter is
Ok,
Is
pero
Peter-
ahí is Peter
Peter.
from Austria.
Peter V. No.
No,
Is
ya lo dije.
Peter from Austria?
Hey, Alfonso, is Marta from Mazatlán?
Yes, Martha is from Mazatlán.
Is Marta from Canada?
No, Martha
No.
doesn't. Martha doesn't from
No.
Martha
No is.
no.
Is
Martha-
not.
Is
Martha
not.
is not from Canada.
Good, good. Are you from Canada?
No. I'm not is not
You.
you.
Are you from Canada?
No. I'm not. I know.
I'm not.
I'm not.
I am not.
I
La
am
última
not
es un poquito chida.
to Canada.
I am not from.
Okay. No, I am not from Canada.
Good. Is he from Canada?
No, he is not from Canada. He is not.
Is she from Mazatlán?
Is she? Yes, is she from Mazatlán?
She
She
is. Tú dijiste yes y preguntaste. Is he from Mazatlán?
Yes, he is from Mazatlan.
Fantastic. Good.
Yeah.
Repeat number 5. Alfonso, number 5.
¿cómo se escribe?
Mary and Joe.
Mary and Joe like homework.
Homework.
¿Y el auxiliar?
Is do Mary and Joe like homework?
Mary and Joe, es ellos. ¿Va con do o va con does?
Do.
Do Mary
Mary
and
La,
Joe
la
like...
última que mamá, ahí a ver si sabe.
Marta, does
Does
he like homework? Does he like homework?
Pregúntame.
Pregúntale.
okay. Alfonso, are you
No. ¿Con el do o con el does?
Do you like?
do you like a homework
¿De English o de la escuela?
in English?
English.
No,
In
no.
over.
No, the
No.
homework, the English University or to the...
English University.
The English University, yes, but school, no.
Now, does he like homework, Marta? Does he like English University homework?
Yes,
¿Quién?
he's like homework.
¿Es afirmativa?
Yes.
Yes, he.
Yes,
Likes.
he likes a homework.
Excellent, excellent.
He's like
Number 6. Number 6. You.
you.
¿Va con dos o va con do?
Does you walk to school?
That.
Does you
¿Does you?
Do. Ay.
¿Con cuál va el does?
Do. No, con he, she.
Con he, con she.
O one name.
¿Con cuál va el you?
Do.
Con do. ¿Y con cuál es más? Con we.
I.
Do
I.
we, do I, do they.
Una más. Que sepa que va a
Y-
Is
Is
they.
they.
Dijo is.
Do you.
Dijo is.
Complete, Alfonso, number 6.
Do you walk to school?
Fantastic. Yes, I walk to school.
I don't.
Do you walk to school?
Yes.
No, I not walk to school. I don't walk
I
to school.
don't walk.
Does he walk to school?
No, he don't walk to
Doesn't.
walk.
Tengo que recordar.
El he va con el doesn't. El you va con el don't.
Cuando vaya a Estados Unidos voy a pegar.
¿Por qué?
Number 7. Alfonso, number 7.
Que mi mamá la última se la sepa y...
Ay, sí, presumido.
No, sí, porque luego no vas a saber cuál es.
Number 7 is do or does? Number 7.
Does.
Does, con she. Where does she
Live.
live? Alfonso, where does she live? She.
Where
She
does she live?
Mom, where do you live? Where do you live? Yes.
I live in the... ¿Cómo se llama cuando vivo?
Se ríe de mí.
Villa Dorada.
Oh, I live in the Villa Dorada.
Where does she live?
She lives in Villa Dorada.
Excellent. Where does he live? Ask him.
¿Por qué no dices he lives with me?
Ask him.
¿Por qué pones he lives with
Where?
me?
Where do you live?
I live with you.
Where does he live?
With me?
Where
He.
He lives
he
with
lives
me.
in Villa Dorada. He
Lives
lives
with me.
in Villa Dorada.
Good.
With me, mamá.
With
Number 8. Number 8. Number 8.
Why do you
Yes.
ride your bike?
Fantastic.
Why do you ride your bike?
Because I like it.
Okay.
And because it is exercise.
How
Do you have a bike?
Linda it
No.
I not like the bikes.
Why?
Nunca se enseñó a andar en bicicleta.
We're gonna take your cell phone.
No.
No cell phone. Never. And we're gonna buy.
Ay,
I'm gonna take this to the empeño and they're gonna give me a bicycle for this.
deja ahí, no muevas.
Jamie, que se me va a celular el control. Ay, sí.
Number 9. Alfonso with how.
How, ¿la digo?
Yes.
How does Linda go to the park? Mamá, la siguiente tú la haces. A ver si, a ver.
How does. Linda es she.
Linda.
Pero es pregunta.
Es que los últimos están así.
A ver, déjame darle pues.
Pero la última es de modal. Ya tiene el
No,
modal.
Linda.
Tiene el can.
Ron is a number.
No.
Ron
Ron.
is
nombre. Es nombre.
my cousin Ron. My brother Ron.
Yeah, Ron.
Ya dila. Dila, mamá.
Do can.
No vamos a ocupar auxiliar.
No. Can Ron speak English?
And
Can Ron speak English?
Yes, he can speak
It's very
English.
easy, Alfonso.
Can Alfonso speak English?
Yeah. Alfonso can speak English.
Good. Alfonso, can your mom speak English?
Mom. No, my mom never speak English.
Alfonso said his mom, listen, his mom doesn't speak English. Alfonso said his mom doesn't speak English. Marta, do you speak English?
Yes, I speak.
A ver, ¿cómo
Alfonso,
se dice?
do
Ma,
you
¿cómo
speak
se dice?
English?
¿Cómo se dice en inglés? ¿Cómo se dice hola en inglés?
Hi.
No, estás equivocada, se dice bye. Bye.
Okay, Alfonso, open in your WhatsApp. The homework.
No, there.
The homework, Alfonso.
Again.
More homework. You said you like it.
Ah, yeah.
You like it. You love it.
Kevin plays basketball.
I hate
Does
the
Clay-
homeworks.
Does Kevin?
Okay, 2 homeworks.
No,
For
no,
Alfonso.
no. I
Because
say
he loves the homework.
no, but wait. I
Number 1, Alfonso.
Negative.
Kevin.
I don't run to school.
Kevin.
Kevin?
Kevin.
Kevin plays basketball.
Kevin
Negative.
Nunca lo vi porque apenas yo.
doesn't
Kevin
play.
doesn't play basketball. No, pero ¿cómo
Okay.
se ha leído?
This is what you have to do. Con esas 10. You have to put in negative.
Negative.
Yes.
Oh.
Homework. In negative.
Michael.
Kevin don't or Kevin doesn't?
Doesn't. ¿Quién dijo
Kevin
no?
doesn't. Kevin doesn't. Okay. Kevin doesn't
Kevin doesn't play basketball.
play or plays?
Play basketball.
Good.
Play.
La S va en afirmativo. En negativo va el doesn't. No va la S. Good. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Te acabas de la cara.